student, how are you? I hope you're great after your vacations at home. And today I'm here in Morocco and I'm going to visit the castle, but you have to continue or start with your book, with your activities on your book. So open your book, please.
Today we are going to start our part 4, How Can We Be Good Citizens? Okay, open your book, page 62 please. Let's read a new story. First, you have to read a new friend in your awesome reader. Take your time for this reading. Then, you have to complete activity number 1, 2, 3, and 4. First activity. Look at the pictures, identify each one with one of the words from the box. First, let's practice the vocabulary. Ball, children, math, play, student. Okay? Repeat again, please. Then, you have to write a word of this box according to each picture. For example, picture number 1. The picture number 1 is what? A ball, a children, a math, a play, or a student. Okay, complete this activity, please. Okay, activity number 2, answer the following question. What is the title of the awesome reader reading? The title about the reading that you just read. Activity number 3, write a list of 3 things you found on your first day of class. You have to write things that you found in your first day of class. For example, friends or a classroom, a teacher, a table, a chair, a school, for example, okay? Page 63, you have in this page, you have activity number 4 and 5, okay? Activity number 4, look at the words in the box. These words are in the story A New Friend. Look at them and predict what the story will be about by answering the questions below. Okay, you have 6 words in the box and you have to complete the question. You have 3 questions. For example, number 1, where does the story happen? Number 2, what characters does the story have? And number 3, what do you think characters will do? You have to write the 6 words in each question according to the story. Okay, so for example, where does the story happen? In a ball, a friend, history, math, ruler, or teacher. Okay, complete the 3 questions please with the words from the box. And the last one, activity number 5, think about the title of the text, A New Friend. Okay, based on the title, discuss with someone what do you think the reading will be about. In this case, you have to write all of them about the reading. What do you think about the reading? It's about what? Okay. For example, I think the reading is about a student or a new person at the school or a new friend at the school or something like that.
Dear students, it's all for today, and I'm going to check this beautiful place. Bye!